So, for this question, there are a few things that we need to know before we jump into it. First thing is that a scalene triangle means that no sides are the same length. An isosceles triangle means two sides are the same length. An acute triangle means the greatest angle is less than 90. A right triangle is greatest angle is equal to 90. And an obtuse triangle is the greatest angle is greater than 90. You also need to know some versions of your Pythagorean that help you determine if something is acute, right, or obtuse, or a triangle is acute, right, or obtuse. So if a squared plus b squared is greater than c squared, it's acute. If a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, it's right. If a squared plus b squared is less than c squared, it is obtuse. It's often easiest to think of it in terms of c squared. If c squared is less, it's acute. Is equal than, it's right. It's greater than, it's obtuse. And if you did not know any of these things, please add them to your cheat sheet one at a time, master them, and go back 5 for each individual one before continuing in this question. So now we're going to jump into it. With these definitions in mind, we can easily eliminate J and K because neither of the angles are the same. So it is not, these are not an isosceles. This is not an isosceles triangle. So now we just need to determine if it's acute, right, or obtuse. And so we can just square 4, which is 16, and 5, which is 25, and 7, which is 49. And we know that 49 is greater than 16 plus 25, meaning that we have an obtuse triangle, which is answer H.